You already know why I am here. I'm about that. They don't mind, I'm about that. Only about that. They don't mind, I'm about that. I'm about that. They don't mind.
Well guys, as you can see, I'm not on the Yamaha. Fuck, my legs are cold. I'm on a Kawasaki, I think it's a 2005 Kawasaki Zx-6R. And you're probably wondering why I am not on the Yamaha. Well, the reason being is because I just purchased this motorcycle. That's right. I bought the bike from Chris, who he needs a car really bad. He has another bike, so he's good. Currently on the way to taking it home. Still trying to get used to it a little bit. What happened? I guess it died. It died! Here, let me get out of the road. Pull in. Go! Go down the road somewhere. I'll meet you down there. The bike died on me. It just shut off. So I don't know, maybe I need to get a new battery for it or something like that. I don't know, that was weird. I'm good now, so yeah, so I'm on the way home now. We're gonna park it in the garage. Well, actually no, we're gonna go get something to eat first. That's Jessica in front of me. She was gonna ride behind me, but I don't know what happened, but the bike died on me. And yeah, we're gonna go grab some food. She's gonna go work here in a while, so everything's okay. I hope you guys can hear me. I brought the microphone. I got a new microphone adapter, but I didn't get a I didn't bring my GoPro wind socks, so there might be a little bit of wind noise. So I have on a new jacket that I bought. I ordered it off Amazon. It's a cobalt, I don't know what the technical shit is, but it's just a cobalt heated jacket. And I put it on, and my first impressions were that you couldn't feel any cold out of it. And I'm really impressed by that. I wonder if she'll let me go around her here. The gear indicator's not working. That's fucked up. What's the point of having a gear indicator if it don't work? Fuck. Fuck. Fuck me. What the fuck? Fucking start. Damn, that's the second time this bike died on me. What the fuck? Either it needs a new battery or something else is wrong with it. I don't know. Hope it's nothing serious. Other than the bike dying on me, I like the way it rides. It's comfortable and fun. It's got just enough power in it to fuck around with. Although I do like having the lower end torque of the R1. But you know, this is plenty enough power. Plenty of power. I think it's got like, from the factory, it's got like 130 horsepower, 140, something like that. And like 60 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty freaking impressive. See, that's plenty of power for anyone. And I wonder what it's going to feel like to me getting back on the R1 after I get off of this. I wonder if the battery's hooked up all the way, because I remember I had an issue with that. I took the battery apart in order to put my LEDs on, and when I hooked everything back up, I didn't put back on the LEDs, so or I didn't hook back up the battery, so it was like just barely connected, and it died on me a couple times. So I wonder, let me check the battery whenever we stop in here. That might be the problem, either that or it's just a bad battery. So, any? It's the oil lights on. I guess it needs an oil change, which kind of makes sense. That's good, doesn't lock. Okay. Well, we're here at Bojangles. I'm gonna cut out and we'll meet you back here whenever we get done eating. Alright guys, well we just finished eating lunch at the lovely Bojangles. And probably not the best food decision today, but here's a walk around of the bike with the Yoshimura exhaust. It's black and gold, which it's not going to be that way for long. It's got these Aerodynamian headlight covers and windscreen, which is pretty badass. And right now I think the color we're gonna paint it is blue. I think this is the color I decided on right now. Fuck, I can't get my damn glove on. Whatever. Fuck it. Alright, let me turn my heated jacket on. Why? Because America. There we go. Okay. And Jessica has to go to work now, so I get to ride home by myself.